Hello everyone! Today I want to talk about my plans, my schedule, and some possibilities I am considering for the near future. Second, I have my macroeconomics lecture on Tuesdays and Thursday at 10 a.m. Third, my consumer behavior seminar takes place every Wednesday afternoon. Finally, the university library opens at 7 a.m., so I usually study there before my first class. I am also preparing a presentation about Colombia's economic indicators for next year. Besides that, I am working on Create Beat project, a cultural newsletter about Colombia identity, and I am meeting with my state group this Friday to review for our trigonometry exam. Finally, I want to share a few things that are still are certain possibilities for my new future. I might travel to Bucaramanga next semester because I always wanted to visit the city. I may start a new part time project related to my creativity newsletter if I can find the time. I could also take an extra English course to improve my fluency more quickly, and who knows, I might even publish the first printed edition of El Colombiano del My Club by the end of the year. As you can see, combining these sketches helps my describe not only what fits in my drawing, but also what I am actively planning and what is still just a possibility. Thank you for watching.